How to add and remove folders in Photos app in Windows 10. Managing folders in the Windows Photos app might seem basic, but if you're working with large libraries or shared devices, doing it right can make a big difference. In this video, we'll cover how to add and remove folders from the app and how to troubleshoot the common issues that may come up. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Adding and removing folders from the Photos app. Part 1. Adding folders to the Photos app. There are a couple of easy ways to add folders, depending on where you are in the app. The first method is to add folders via the app's gallery view. Here's how. Click the Start button and search for Photos. Open the Photos app. On the left-hand pane, under Gallery, click Add Folder. Navigate to the folder you want, then click Add this folder to Pictures. That folder is now linked to the Photos app and will begin indexing images. However, if you're already in the Photos app, here's a quicker method. Go to the left-hand pane. Right-click any source or folder and choose Add Folder. Browse to the folder you want to include, select it, and click Select Folder. Part 2. Removing folders from the Photos app. If Photos is slow to load or pulling from folders you no longer need, it's a good idea to clean things up. Open the Photos app. In the left-hand pane, right-click the folder you want to remove. Select Remove Folder from Microsoft Photos. Keep in mind that this won't delete the folder or its contents. It just removes it from the Photos app view. Let's cover a few issues you might run into and how to handle them. Troubleshooting common issues. Issue number 1. Newly added folders aren't showing up. You've added a folder, but nothing's showing? Try this. Close and reopen the Photos app. If that doesn't work, restart your computer to refresh the app's library. Double-check the folder's contents. Photos only picks up supported formats like JPG and PNG. Unsupported files won't appear. Issue number 2. Removed folders still show up. Seeing a folder you've already removed? That's likely cached data. Here's how to clear it out. Go to Settings, Apps, Apps and Features. Find Photos, click it, and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Reset. Issue number 3. Photos not detected from an added folder. If you've added a folder but Photos isn't displaying anything, make sure the folder isn't hidden or marked as a system folder. If it's stored on an external drive or USB, ensure the drive is connected. And that's a full rundown on managing folders in the Windows Photos app, from setup to cleanup and troubleshooting. If you're supporting end users or managing multiple profiles, these steps can help streamline the experience. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to add and remove folders in the Windows 10 Photos app, linked in the description below.